To fix GoDaddy Webmail not working, start by checking your internet connection to ensure it is stable and working properly. A slow or unstable connection can cause issues with loading your webmail. Next, verify that you are using the correct login credentials, including your email address and password. Double-check that your caps lock is not on and that you are using the correct email address associated with your GoDaddy account. If you are still having trouble, try clearing your browser cache and cookies. This can help resolve issues with outdated or corrupted data that may be causing problems with your webmail. You can do this by going to your browser settings and selecting the option to clear browsing data. Another step is to check if your browser is compatible with GoDaddy Webmail. Ensure you are using a supported browser such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. If you are using an older browser, consider upgrading to a newer version. Additionally, check if there are any known issues or outages with GoDaddy services by visiting their website or social media pages. Sometimes, technical issues can cause problems with webmail access. If none of the above steps work, try resetting your webmail password. You can do this by going to the GoDaddy website and following the password reset instructions. Finally, if you have tried all the above steps and are still having trouble, contact GoDaddy customer support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and provide additional guidance to resolve the problem. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with your GoDaddy webmail not working. Remember to always keep your browser and operating system up to date to prevent similar issues in the future.